Welcome to the Home of English for English grammar and vocabulary learning. Today, in this session, we shall learn some more one-word substitutions related to phobias. I have already uploaded the first part of the lesson phobias. Please watch in the playlist. Let's learn some more phobias. I will mention some related words and memory techniques to enable you learn the words in the lesson itself. I will ask two questions at the end. Please comment them in the comment box. Be attentive. Let's start. English vocabulary, one-word substitutions. Phobias, manias or mental disorders. Phobia. Phobia is an irrational fear of something that is unlikely to cause any harm. In Greek language, phobos means fear or horror. See the example. Gamophobia. In Greek language, gamos means marriage. So gamophobia is fear of marriage. Geraphobia. Geraphobia is fear of old age. Remember, gerontocracy is a government by all men. The same way, geraphobia is fear of old age. Third one, gnosiophobia or epistemophobia or sophophobia. All these words mean fear of knowledge. In Greek language, gnosio means know or learn. Epistemo and sopho both mean knowledge. So all these three words, that is gnosiophobia, epistemophobia and sophophobia, mean fear of knowledge. Fourth one, graphophobia. Grapho is writing. So graphophobia is fear of writing. Gynophobia. Gyno is related to women or girls. So gynophobia is fear of women. Remember, gynecology is a branch of physiology or medicine for women or girls. Sixth one, glossophobia. Glossophobia is the fear of speaking in public. In Greek, glossa means tongue. So it is related to speech. So glossophobia is fear of speaking in public. Seventh one, hemophobia. Hemophobia is fear of blood. Hemoglobin is a pigment that gives redness to blood. So hemophobia is fear of blood. Hedonophobia. Hedonophobia is fear of pleasure. Fear of pleasure, hedonophobia. Hydrophobia. Hydrophobia is fear of water. Hodophobia. Hodophobia is fear of travel. Heliophobia. Heliophobia is fear of the sun. 12th one, herpetophobia. Herpetophobia or ophidiophobia. Both are fear of reptiles. Means lizards or snakes. So herpetophobia and ophidiophobia both means fear of reptiles. 13th, hypochondria. Hypochondria means fear of illness. 14th, kleptophobia. Kleptophobia is fear of stealing or thieves. 15th, kleptomania. It is a compulsive desire to steal or to take others' property. That is kleptomania. Kleptophobia is fear of stealing or thieves. Kleptomania is a compulsive desire to steal or to take others' property. 16th, latrophobia. Latrophobia is fear of consulting a doctor. Fear of consulting a doctor is latrophobia. Leukophobia. Leukophobia is fear of white color. See, leuko means white in Greek. Leukocytes is white blood cells. So leukophobia is fear of white color. Logophobia. Logophobia or verbophobia. Both these words mean fear of words. 19th, logomania or logoria is mania for talking. 20th, metrophobia. Metrophobia is fear of poetry. 21st, mnemophobia. Mnemophobia is fear of old memories. Fear of old memories is mnemophobia. 22nd, misophobia. Misophobia is fear of filth or dirt or contamination or germs. There are two other same one words, verminophobia or germophobia. So misophobia, verminophobia and germophobia. All these words mean fear of filth or dirt or contamination or germs. 23rd, megalophobia. Megalophobia is fear of large objects. 24th, microphobia. Microphobia is its antonym, that is fear of small objects. 25th, melanophobia. Melanophobia is fear of black color. Remember, the leukophobia was fear of white color. Leuko means white. Here melano means black or very dark. Remember, melanin is the dark pigment in the skin. Sorry, melanin. Melanin is the dark pigment in the skin. So melanophobia is fear of black color. 26th, necrophobia. Necrophobia is fear of death or dead things. 27th, noctiphobia. Noctiphobia is fear of night. Fear of night, noctiphobia. 28th, nyctophobia. Nyctophobia is fear of darkness. 29th, ophthalmophobia. Ophthalmophobia is fear of eyes. Remember, an ophthalmologist is an eye specialist. So, ophthalmophobia is fear of eyes. Oculophobia. Oculophobia is fear of crowd or mob. And ochlocracy is a government by mob. So, oculo means mob. So, oculophobia is fear of crowd or mob. 31. Obesophobia. Obesophobia is fear of gaining weight or obesity. 32nd, octophobia. Octophobia is the fear of number 8. 33rd, ombrophobia. Ombrophobia is fear of rain. There is another word, pluviophobia. Ombrophobia or pluviophobia means fear of rain. In Greek, ombro means storm of rain. So ombrophobia means fear of rain. 34th, pedophobia. Pedophobia is fear of children. A pediatrician is a specialist who treats children. So pedophobia is fear of children. 35th, pathophobia. Pathophobia is fear of disease or sickness. Remember, pathology is study of diseases. So patho is related to diseases. So pathophobia is fear of disease or sickness. 36th, peniophobia. Peniophobia is fear of poverty or money problem. Peniophobia, fear of poverty or money problem. 37th, pharmacophobia. Pharmacophobia is fear of medicine. Phasmophobia. Phasmophobia is fear of ghosts. In Greek language, phasmo means ghost. So, phasmophobia is fear of ghosts. 39. Pyrophobia. Pyrophobia is fear of fire. Selenophobia. Selenophobia is fear of the moon. So we earlier learned fear of the sun is heliophobia. Here selenophobia is fear of the moon. Somniphobia. Somniphobia is fear of sleep. Somnambulism is walking while sleeping. So somni or somna is related to sleep. So somniphobia is fear of sleep. Tachophobia. Tachophobia is fear of speed. A tachometer is a meter which measures speed. So tachometer is called speedometer. So tachophobia is fear of speed. Theophobia. Theophobia is fear of God. Remember, theocracy or thearchy is a government by gods. So theo is related to gods. Theophobia is fear of gods. 44th. Triskaidekaphobia. Triskaidekaphobia is fear of number 13. Triskaideka means number 13 in Greek. So triskaidekaphobia is fear of number 13. 45th. Venustraphobia. Venustraphobia is fear of beautiful women. There is another word, Caligynephobia. It also means fear of beautiful women. 46th. Xenophobia. Xenophobia is fear of strangers or foreigners. 47th. Zoophobia. Zoophobia is fear of animals. So these are the 47 more phobias we are learning in this lesson. Please revise these words once or twice. Now there are 2 questions. Answer them in the comment box. First one, hemophobia is the fear of dash. Second one, triskaidekaphobia. Triskaidekaphobia is the fear of dash. So answer these in the comment box. If you like the lesson, please like, subscribe and share. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.